tapestry woven with threads of might, a history untold, now bathed in light. From ancient kingdoms, power did reside, and hearts resilient where spirits thrive. Through trials immense, a legacy was born, of strength unwavering on a faithful morn. The chains may bind, the spirit takes flight, a flame ignited, burning ever so bright. The number 4 is what makes me me. The songs of freedom, a soulful plea, echoing through time for all to see. A symphony of struggle, courage and grace, leaving an imprint on time and space. So let us remember, let us honor with pride the countless heroes who bravely did strive.